made it to Santa Pod.
We made it to Santa Pod. Let's go race some folks. I'm nervous, man. I've never been this nervous in my life. Am I ready? No, is the car ready? I don't know. So I just need to remember to switch my front wheels on after the burnout. I need to go around the burnout box, drive back into it again.
Everybody's like taking pictures and videos of this.
I know.
It's a real experience because like in Crail, I guess everybody knows you, but when you come 400 miles from home, but everybody still seems to. So we'll be taking it easy the first couple of runs.
Yeah.
I mean, but it's on video, so you can't take it back then.
No, no, it is turned down. So I've been wanting to do this for like 10 years, get down here. Now I'm here, I'm like.
What a day.
I know, I watch on YouTube all the time, so like to be here is like just feels fucking mental, man. Oh man. Let's get and speak to the boys. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Nah.
I'm happy with that. Look, can you just walk onto it?
Yeah, yeah.
Just don't get run over by the car.
Yeah. Holy shit, man. This is serious, eh? What does that thing do?
Scrapes the track.
Scrapes it?
Scrapes it.
Scrapes it, okay.
Like, see if you come out, like it's still.
So smooth.
I mean, you can feel it a bit sticky, like here.
Is that in the commentaries? Is that there?
Aye.
Did you see so from where I see the station is there, yeah, so I'll probably pull forward. Okay. But yeah, that's fine. I would go for I'll probably just get on the watch control.
Yeah, just do your own thing. You're not racing. So you got
This is severe. Like, watches on YouTube all the time, eh? Like, oh, days and years, man. I'm actually here now. It's like,
time on the light, drives around the beast just after the half track and starts his day with a 907, a 146. He's been racing a lot of trail up in Scotland with this four-wheel drive. That's the RX-7. It's got a K20.
about 147.
I know, fucking mental.
Fucking nearly an 8, man.
Holy
Brilliant.
shit, man, fucking buzzing.
I got an 899.
Did you?
Yeah.
Jack Break?
He got shoved off.
Did he?
Yeah, his body parts were wet.
Oh, right, okay.
So I went round, waited for him coming round. I was like, what happened? Oh, I said, listen, I'm not taking the wind for that. Let's go again. So he said, give me 20 minutes, cool down. Then we'll do it again. He's still running. You've just done a night flat. Man, amazing.
That's a buzz and a half. Oh, fuck.
Nice one. Nice one. So that's new PB. I think there's more in it. What boost?
I don't know yet. I think it was
That 907 there.
fucking hell, man. I let off at the top. 1,000 foot, had to let off. That's where my mile an hour was doing 10 miles an hour. So because I heard it boop boop boop, I was like, oh, let off.
So what did you faster?
Yeah.
Mad man. That's an 8. That's an 8. All day long. That's an 8.
False end in the next one, mate. No. I need to go over day logs because like I pushed cooler into my header tank, out the header tank, so I'm not sure you usually do that. So it's not a big boost yet. So
Buzzing.
oh, I'm buzzing like.
Right.
So.
You were 10 mile an hour down at the 8th.
Oh no, it was let off. I was out it by the 8th.
You were
It was just head and cool pressure cut, so it's lifted the head. So, which is a shame because we're still not even in the boost yet, in the proper boost. So, yeah. And it's never going to get better. So, what do you do? I could run it again, pull the fuel back out it, just lift the cut, see what it goes to. That'll give me a full pass, but the engine's not happy. Just there's a lot of boost there for a SK series, so I'm just not sure.
Can be head gasket and put studs in it.
Is it sorry?
You put head gasket and put studs in it.
Just now? Nah, I wouldn't fuck about that. Because as soon as you take the head off, it warps. Just see what goes. See what goes.
got some silence, Gav, so we'll do your summary.
Do a summary. So we'll start while it's strapping at the same time. Well, our usual outro. Getting the car in the trailer, car drove on the trailer, so that's always good.
Yep.
Definitely found weak points in the car. Again, head gasket. I think it's maybe the 5th or 6th time this year I've had head gasket issues. So, but I was contemplating doing a Hail Mary pass sort of yesterday, maybe the day, like drain the coolant out it and go for one final pass, and actually put some boost in it this time to ensure an 8.9. But decided against it just because the rods and pistons are still in the block. And it's just a case of another head gasket and some better head studs this time, because I've had them head studs for maybe 3 years and they're good inline pro ones and they are torqued down. But looking into it, I've probably torqued it down a little bit too much. It's maybe yielded the head studs a little bit. So yeah, so we'll try some maybe 625 head studs. Maybe play with a copper head gasket and some stainless O-rings. We'll see what goes. Be interested to whip the head off to see what my own block epoxy is holding up to as well. Because we've got a lot of torque, a lot of power, and we'll be interested to see. And yeah, and to be honest, 2023 was my first 9-second pass at the start of the year. So to end 2023 with a 9.01 is phenomenal. Way more than the car was ever supposed to do. It's supposed to do 10s. So, and now I'm knocking on the doors of 8s. Yeah, the potential this thing has is phenomenal. A 1.4 60 foot as well, again without trying. No wheelies, everything was set up nice, and with soft launch as well.
Yep.
So potential for next year is going to be savage.
With a fast 0 to 60, will we say what it is?
Yes, I'm going to say
1.93.
1.93 not to 60, which is fucking bonkers. That's absolutely nuts. So yeah, massive achievement of that, and yeah, next year we'll come back with hopefully a stronger head bolts and head gasket. I won't change the setup.
Oh,
compound setup's cool.
Is this official? No VR6?
VR6 will happen someday, not yet. I was actually looking at this thing thinking, fuck you, you're coming out. And then speaking to like my friend Awad from Dubai, who's a big horsepower tuner, like 300 horsepower tuner, he's like, nah, don't do it. So there's potential to do what I want to do, so.
I mean, you could have went for a shite and got an 8, because it was 9.0.
Yeah, I know, yeah, there's a bar here away, you know, but that's racing. See it from a mile an hour as well, been down 156 a trap at Crail, and here I was trapping 143, 146.
Yeah, we got 152, 153 I think on the last one.
Yeah, last one.
But it's still 5 mile an hour down compared to Crail.
Yeah, it's just because I'm letting off. I was just seeing coolant pressure going up, and I seen water going on the windscreen. I was like, nah, just let off. Because there's time to be a hero, but if you're shutting down the track because you put water down it, you're pissing everyone off. So best thing to do is just kind of come away from it.
And it took us, 2-3 hours to do that last one, eh?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that actually annoyed me a little bit. We were 2.5 hours in the queue. Seal of approval from Mark Van Kieren as well. Oh, it's so surreal meeting these people. I've known even Marco for 15 years. Yeah. You know, and you know, he was the first person that kind of get me into tuning and self-tuning stuff as well, and meeting him for the first time as well was just absolutely amazing. So. Yeah. And John as well. Yeah, John Marcoux as well. Yeah. There's countless people. There's countless people. Unreal meeting everyone in real life, you know. So yeah, I'm absolutely buzzing. Yeah. 9.0, I'm happy with that. 8 can come next year, no problem. I could do it in the street, but it's not the same. Yeah. Santa Pod is good, and yeah, we're definitely going to be back for sure. Yep. We'll still do Crail. No, I love Crail. Crail's hometown stuff. No prep is what's made the car so fast. Yep. So more practice on the no prep, just make me even faster than here. Yep. I mean, there's a Crail on next month, so I might even go with that. We'll see what it goes. Yep. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. And as always, guys, we'll catch us in the next video. Well, it's been a day and a half today. We've made PBs, and I'd just like to say a special thank you to Jack Boley. For the pints, the food, the beers, the fun, the laughs and the love. Cheers! Yes.